But Doc was happy. The trucks had played the silly games. Doc sure played the other ducks because he's a good at pulling trucks. Quack, 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 quack. Hold back, you kick-a-pee. Doc began to slower and slower and slower. Halfway up the Golden's Hill, his wheels stopped all together. Doc was stuck. Oh no, said his driver. This is Golden's line. Doc's guy went for the cinnamon. It's too late for switch the Golden to the main line, said the cinnamon. You have to be flagging down. Golden saw the guard. If I stop in here, I'll never be